Number 15 says, you open an account by investing $250 with a financial institution that advertises an APR of 5.75% with continuous compounding. So, continuous compounding, this is one of the applications of exponential growth, and these are going to have the equation of change that we've been dealing with, so all of our formulas are still going to be used here. So it says find an exponential formula for the balance of your account as a function of time, and in your answer give both the standard form and the alternative form for your exponential. So I want both forms. So it's going to be 250 e to the 0.0575t, and b is equal to 250. I want to figure out what that e to the 0.0575 is. So if you type in your calculator e to the 0.0575, you'll get 1.0592. Raised to the t. So those are my two different forms for this. Now, part B says, what account balance would you expect 5 years after your initial investment? Answer this question using both of the forms that you found in part A, and which do you think gives a more accurate answer and why. So if I plug in 5 into both of these, then here you should get $333.27. Here you should get $333.30. So they're pretty close. If this were over a longer period of time, they would be further apart. But they also want us to know which one's more accurate. Well, the one that we use the e in, this would be more accurate because we didn't round this number here like we did in that second one. So the $333.27 is more accurate because the 1.0592 is rounded.